Hello everyone, welcome to another video by WhiteBoard Fun Facts. How can you get healthy eating a raw food diet? Eating raw foods is a natural thing. Our bodies love all that is fresh and yummy. A raw food diet, or increasing the amount of raw food that you eat, is bound to bring a feeling of improved health. Raw food diets are based on uncooked plant foods, preferably organic, such as a variety of fresh fruits and veggies, nuts, seeds, grains, dried fruit, fresh juices, and purified water. Why eat raw foods? A vegetarian diet, the raw food diet promotes eating and drinking living foods. Living foods and juices contain the maximum amount of fiber found in fresh produce, the fiber that can be lost in processing. Such foods are quickly metabolized and tend to be lower in calories than the average diet. Heating food above 116 degrees Fahrenheit destroys enzymes in food that aid in digestion and the absorption of food, diminishing its nutritional value. Benefits of a raw food diet. A diet of at least 75% raw food offers numerous health benefits, such as increased energy, improved skin appearance, better digestion, weight loss and reduced risk of severe illnesses like diabetes and cancer. A raw food diet contains almost no saturated fats or low in sodium, high in potassium, magnesium, folate, and fiber. Raw food diets are also excellent detox diets. Different combinations of fresh, living foods and juices can be used for colon cleansing, liver cleansing, kidney cleansing and skin cleansing. The basics of a raw food diet. Any fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, seeds, beans, nuts, legumes, young coconut milk, even seaweed, can be menu items of a raw food diet. Your choice of foods may depend on your reasons for dieting. The nutritional value of different grains and seeds is impressive. They contain most of the vitamins, particularly A, B, and E. They're also fantastic natural sources of unsaturated fatty acids, and an excellent source of proteins. You can even use soy milk makers to make non-dairy drinks from different beans. Last but not least, a raw food diet is undoubtedly an excellent way to improve your overall health and well-being. Like anything, it takes time, energy and commitment. Because many of the foods for this particular type of diet are made from scratch, there is some preparation time involved. Many great products on the market can help you prepare your living food and save you some time as well. Combined with regular exercise, a raw food diet is also an excellent weight loss method. If you've been feeling a little off, or need a pick-me-up and some extra energy, then a raw food diet is undoubtedly an excellent way to go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more WhiteBoard Fun Fact videos.